Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I am going to teach question number 3 from the exercise 2.4. This is for class 9 students from NCERT syllabus. The chapter is polynomial. Question here is, find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, okay, in each of the following cases. First of all, let us understand the question. Given here is p of x, that is polynomial of variable x. It is divided by x minus 1, which is a factor. Polynomial of x is divided by x minus 1. We'll get a quotient here and we'll get a remainder. If it is a factor, then we know that the remainder will be 0. Okay. Let us find the x value. We'll equate this to 0. X is equal to 1. When you apply this 1 in the place of the x value, that is in the polynomial p of 1, the remainder is 0. So we know that p of 1 is equal to 0. In this polynomial, instead of x, when you apply the number as 1, the remainder will be 0. This is what we are going to use to find the k value. Let us start. First subdivision is p of x is equal to x square plus x plus k. We have to find the k value. Now here p of the variable x. Instead of x, we will apply the x value. That is x minus 1 is the factor, equate to 0. X is equal to 1. Okay. Now x is equal to 1. We are applying here p of 1, which is equal to 1 square, because x value is 1. 1 square plus 1 plus k. We know that p of 1 is equal to 0. We are applying this value. 0 is equal to 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus k. Here again we can write 2 plus k is equal to 0. That is 2 plus k is equal to 0. We need k value, that is k is equal to 2. Transpose this to the other side, it becomes minus 2. Now k value is minus 2. Second subdivision is p of x is equal to 2x square plus kx plus root 2. So we know that x minus 1 is a factor which is given in the question. We are equating x minus 1 to 0. We have got x value as 1. Therefore, we can understand p of 1 is equal to 0. Now let us apply here. P of x value is 1, which is equal to 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. Here, expand this. 1 square is 1. So 1 into 2. The 1 square is 1. So when you multiply 2 into 1 will be 2. Plus k into 1. 1 multiplied by any number is that number. So 1 into k is k plus root 2. Now p of 1 is equal to 0. 2 plus root 2. I am writing the numerals first. Plus k is equal to 0. We need k value. So k is equal to, bring all the numerals to the other side. It will be plus 2 will be minus 2 and plus root 2 will be minus root 2. Or we can write like this, k is equal to minus 2 plus root 2. This is the k value. Third subdivision is p of x is given as kx square minus root 2x plus 1. X minus 1 is a factor. X is equal to 1. We know that p of 1 will be 0 because the remainder will be definitely 0 when you apply 1 here. So now we are applying 1 value here. P of 1 is equal to k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. Now expand this. 1 square is 1. 1 into any number is that number. 1 into k will be k. Okay, minus root 2 into 1. 1 into any number is that number, root 2 plus 1. Left side we can write it as 0 because p of 1 is equal to 0. So instead of p of 1, we can apply 0 on the left side. Okay. Now we need to get the k value, that is k minus root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. We need k value. Bring the numerals to the other side. Minus root 2 will be plus root 2. And here we have got plus 1. It will be minus 1. This is the k value. Fourth subdivision is p of x is equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. usual, x minus 1 is a factor. We know x value is 1. Therefore, p of 1 is equal to 0. Now, let us apply x value here. P of 1 is equal to k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k. Here, expand this. 1 square is 1. 1 into k will be k only. So, minus 3 ones are 3 plus k. Left side, we have got p of 1 which is equal to 0. So, instead of p of 1, we can apply that value that is equal to 0. Okay. Now, here, k plus k, that is 2k minus 3, okay, which is equal to 0. Now, we need k value. So, transpose this 3 to the other side first. 2k is equal to 3. Now, I need only k value, whereas I have got 2k here. Now, we can take this 2 also to the other side, which is k is equal to, this is product, 2 into k. Product will become division when it goes to the other side. So, 3 divided by 2. This is the answer. K is equal to 3 by 2. I hope you must have understood all the 4 subdivisions which I have taught in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep practicing.